Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to create an attractive animated title slide design in PowerPoint. So let's start the video. First, insert a text box and type the word nature. Center your content. Use a bold font like Arial Black and increase the font size to 180 for a strong visual impact. Center your content by clicking the Align Center option. Next, select the rectangle, drag it. Shape outline, make it no outline. Duplicate this shape, press Ctrl Shift and drag the rectangle to the right. Duplicate the shape again. Now add some information related to nature, such as a brief description or keywords about the nature. Change the font color. To merge the text and rectangles, select these four. Go to Format tab, click on Merge Shape and choose Union. This creates a single unified shape. Select this shape, adjust the size, duplicate the shape, adjust the size again. Insert a nature theme image, go to the Insert tab, click Picture and choose an image from your device. Go to Format, then Send to Back. Select Image and the Unify shape, then go to Format, click on Merge Shape and choose Intersect. This will create a beautiful cutout effect with the image inside the text and rectangle. To bring the slide to life, let's add animation. Select Rectangle, go to Animation and click on Add Animation. Choose Motion Path, select Right Animation. Then OK. And increase duration for a smooth effect. Adjust the path. Next, select this, click on Add Animation, choose Left Animation for the motion path. Set it to the with previous and increase the duration to match the first animation. Insert the same image again and send it to the back. For a clean finish, select both rectangle shape and select white color from shape field and set them backward. Now let's preview the slide in slideshow mode to see the final animated effect. And that's it. You have just created an animated PowerPoint title slide that's perfect for your presentation. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Aksharika tutorials for more creative PowerPoint tips. See you in the next video. Thank you.